morning.
Good morning.
Please be seated.
Thank you.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I am Nicole Perserano, graduate of Palawan State University and Bachelor of Science Administration.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I am a hardworking and honest person.
Okay. Can you handle pressure?
The struggle part is my family because they push me to study and finish.
Okay. What do you want this job?
I want this job because I can help my family.
Okay. What are your salary expectation?
I'm looking for where I can help my family.
Okay. How do you handle failure?
I believe that my education and experience.
Okay. What are you looking for job?
To help my family is an opportunity and learn and grow.
Okay. How do you prioritize your work?
To help the family and give them a good life.
Okay. Why are you interested in our company?
Because of the opportunity for growth and advancement.
Okay. Why are you interested in this position?
Because of perfectly with my skills, experience, and career as aspirations.
Okay. Thank you for your coming.
Morning, this visit. Thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking. I'm passionate about my work because I love what I do. And I am a kind, generous, and helpful person.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is lack of concentration, negative self-talk, perfectionism, and lack of motivation.
What are your goals?
One of my life goals is to help my parents and make life stable, have a good life, have a good job.
What motivate you?
Success is what motivates me to do a good job, and also my parents, they are my biggest source of my inspiration and my strongest supporters as well.
What should I hear you?
Because I am hardworking and very passionate about my work.
How do you define successful?
If you achieve what you want to, and are happy, then I think is success.
What makes you unique?
Focus on your individual experiences and skills.
If you finish your studies, what job would you like to have?
I think my job is I am one of the staff in the company.
What are the key responsibilities of position?
Summarize employees' tasks that they need to complete at work.
Okay, thank you.